Just confirm audio and video. So I am unable to see your chat. Okay. You can write in the chat. Yes, guys. So today's session is how to prepare for signals and system. So if you are from EC Electrical Iron branch, this session is for you. Okay. Just confirm the audio and video first so that we can start the session. Yes. So as you all know about this subject, my dear student, the weightage of the subject, especially if I talk about signals and system for GATE exam, the subject has a weightage of 7 to 11 marks for EC Electrical Iron. And you all know the importance of signals and system even for the electronics student. If you are good in signals and system, eventually it will be helpful for other subjects also like communication as well as the control systems and all. Yes. Okay. So let's start today's session. So if anyone here and if you are live, then you can write in the chat box. You can ask your queries also related to subjects if you have any queries, because this session we are planning as a ask me anything session. Yes, guys. So I think many of you are aware about that. I have already completed one signals and system playlist. We are left with some DFT videos. I will show you that also very soon. So here you can see uh, imsgate Academy YouTube channel. Once you will go on the YouTube channel, guys, here we have the complete playlist. When you will go down, you will see here the complete signals and system playlist. And when you will click here, this is just my video only. And here you will get the complete videos, guys. Here you will get the complete playlist. So from the lecture number 1, from basics of signal, transformation of signals, everything you will get here. So let me check in the chat box. So you can write your name, guys, and you can ask about your preparation. How's your preparation going on? Just let me know. Yes. So again, I am coming to this. So, so student, if I talk about first signals and system, if you want to prepare this subject, first of all, you should be clear with the basics transformation of signals. It means the operation performed on signal. Time shifting, time scaling, time reversal, amplitude shifting, reversal. So if you are not clear with the foundation, then definitely you will struggle to understand Fourier series, Fourier transform, Laplace transform and all. So first thing you need to make sure that, yes, Mathan, good evening. You should make sure that you are good in the foundation part of subjects like transformation of signals. Similarly, the basic elementary signals like step signal, impulse signal, the properties of signals. The first question, the first important topic, that is properties of impulse signal, xt dot del t, integration of xt del t. All the properties you need to practice, followed by the classification of signals. And before that, you should also know how to write a mathematical equation from a signal waveform and how to draw the waveform from the signal equation. This part also you should know. And followed by the classification of signal. It means signal is periodic, non-periodic, even, odd, energy signal, power signal, and other signals as well. Followed by the properties of system, whether system is linear, non-linear, time variant, invariant, causal, non-causal. So all the properties you need to study. And after that, convolution. So every topic I have covered in the playlist, guys. You can watch the playlist if you are preparing for the GATE exam. Yes. Okay, so if you are hearing, if you are here in the live chat, You can write your comments also if you ask me anything regarding the signals and system or regarding your preparation journey. Okay. So if you want to ask, you can ask. And students, so first you should start, as I already told you, once you will complete chapter number 1, then only you are actually eligible to study the Fourier series and Fourier transform, because in the Fourier series properties, Fourier transform properties will use the time shifting concept, frequency shifting. So first of all, you should be clear about the foundation of transformation of signals. And after that, of course, if I talk about the very important topic, sir, which one is better? ISC Bangalore, electrical engineering versus ISC Kharagpur. So definitely, beta, according to me, ISC Bangalore, you should give the preference. Okay, if you are from double E stream, of course, power tonics again a good branch, but IIT Kharagpur is also a very good choice. But if you will just give me two choice out of two choice, if I need to choose one only, then ISC Bangalore we should go. Okay. Now, any other question, beta, which is related to signals and system or even related to your preparation strategy, preparation journey, you can ask. Okay. So again, student, coming to the important topics of signals and system, which you can't afford to miss. The first chapter, the first topic that you should not miss, that is classification of signals. We can expect a simple question from periodic, non-periodic, energy and power signal, as well as the properties of system, and most important, convolution of signals. So student, if you have attended my classes earlier, and or if you are start preparing now for the ECN electrical branch or EE or IN branch, then you can refer the playlist. You can follow the MSgate Academy YouTube channel. And those who are looking for the structure preparation, you can definitely visit the IMSgate India, imsindia.com/gate. So you will get all the courses which offered by IMSgate Academy. Yes. Any other questions, guys, that you want to ask? So now coming to the most important topics in chapter number 1. So again, I'm coming to convolution. And in Fourier series, student, we can expect the question from the symmetrical condition first, then exponential Fourier series, and of course the properties of Fourier series. Sometime a simple question examiner may ask by using the power and RMS concept. And Fourier transform is very much important and very, very interesting topic from signals and system. Examiner can make a question from the properties of system. A 1 marks weightage question can examiner ask from the properties of system, and followed by the most important basic elementary signals. And what is the, we can say that the most unique or most important part from the chapter number 2, that is Fourier transform, rectangular Fourier transform. So I used to tell in my classes, always you need to remember a tau sampling of omega tau by tau. So rectangular Fourier transform always in sampling form, and sampling Fourier transform will be always in rectangular form. And the important concept, the rectangular Fourier transform, triangular Fourier transform, we have seen many questions from the last 33 years that examiner has been asked from these topics. And of course, the important, again important, duality concept. Duality concept again very important from the Fourier transform. And after that, Parseval theorem, we have energy theorem. Examiner, and recently I have created one short videos where I have discussed about the amazing short tricks. So when you will watch this playlist, my dear student, you will get the amazing, you will get many short tricks. You will get many short tricks to understand the signals and system subject. When you will study, you will get many short tricks and all. Yes. So Roy boy has asked one question. Other than, if you want to ask anything, you can ask here. Now, so coming to the next part, guys, after the Fourier transform, so Fourier transform, you should focus on the basic signals Fourier. You should know the Fourier of ut 1 upon j omega plus pi del omega. Fourier transform of del t should be 1. And you should know Fourier transform of the simple cos omega t, Fourier transform of e to the power minus at ut 1 upon a plus j omega. But if anyone will ask you about the Fourier of e ki power 2t ut, so it is not possible because it is unbounded signal. So the Fourier transform is applicable for the unbounded types of signal. So that is why Laplace transform come into picture. It allowed to analyze the frequency domain behavior of bounded as well as unbounded signal. So e to the power 2t ut Fourier transform is not possible, but Laplace transform is possible. That is 1 upon s minus 2. So if I talk about the Laplace transform, guys, the basic, the fundamental concept of Laplace transform is ROC, region of convergence. And this is most important topic for the gate point of view. So once you will start the Laplace transform, first of all, you should know all the basic properties of Laplace transform like time shifting, time scaling, frequency shifting, all the properties you should know. You should revise all the properties, and after that you should start the problems. So there is a high chance that from the Laplace transform, either questions come from the properties of Laplace or from the region of convergence topic. So Ritvik Kumar says that, sir, what is the weightage of signals and system? Will it help in communication system? Very good question, beta Ritvik. Ritvik, signals and system weightage is around a minimum 7 to maximum 11 marks in the gate exam for EC electrical ion. And of course, it is very much helpful to understand the communication system. Because in the communication system, you should know the basic signal information, basic signal operations information, and even some sampling concept also you should know. Okay, and apart from that, you should also know some concept of convolution. So if you already completed signals and system, then definitely you will have the advantage, and you can easily understand the concept of communication system. So students, coming to the point, first of all, you should focus on the continuous part, as I already told you, from the chapter number 1 to chapter number 3, that is Laplace transform. And the beauty of this subject is it is a mathematical subject, guys. If you like mathematics, there is a high chance that you can get maximum, or you can secure maximum marks in this signals and system subject. Okay, so you cannot afford to lose marks in the scoring subjects. Okay, so as you all know that, guys, it is a 100 marks paper, but you are not supposed to get 100 out of 100, or you are not supposed to attempt 100 out of 100. You need to target you need to target 75 to 80 marks questions and try to achieve from that maximum marks. Okay, so even whoever will get the under 10 rank in the upcoming gate 25-26 exam, they will also not attempt everything, and they will also not try to attempt all the questions. Okay, so you need to smart enough while we can say that attempting the gate exam, that which question you need to leave and which question you need to attempt. Because I have seen many students that if you in the examination hall, if you we can say that waste the time in a wrong question which is not required, then definitely you will not get much time for those questions which you can easily solve. Yes, and it's look like we have to solve 65 question in 3 hours, but I'm telling you the fact, guys, in the gate exam, even 3 hours time look like very less time. And students, those who study hard for the gate exam, they will not able to complete their paper in the 3 hour even. Okay, so you have to make sure that even not about signals and system, other subjects also you need to prepare. You should aim like that till the month of October, November, you can complete your complete syllabus of gate, and followed by in the month of December, January, at least 2 months you need to dedicate for the revision practice. Okay, as well as the mock test, so that student, whatever you learn till the month of November now, to digest the learning, at least you need to invest 50 days time for the revision. Because if you will just study and complete the notes now. Yes. Suggest practice questions. Okay. So for the practice questions, okay, you can take the books from the library, beta. And but if I will suggest the for the practice book, I must get Academy. We are providing the exercise book. Okay, we are providing the exercise book where signals and system we are having around I think 400 questions we are providing. Okay, so if you will we can say that just if you are looking for the practice question, then first of all you need to cover all the PYQs that has been asked in last 33 years. Okay, I must get Academy provide the amazing GQB booklet. If you are looking for only booklet, then you can purchase the test series plus course. Okay, so when you will purchase test series plus course, you will get the 130 plus test series access, as well as the my plan mentorship access, post gate guidance, as well as the GQB booklet. And you will get two booklet actually. One is technical section, one is maths and aptitude. Okay, so for the practice question, guys, I must get a credit provided. And other than for if you want to, because you should be, you are preparing for the competition exam, so your preparation according to your exam only. Okay, so you can refer the some engineering services PYQs also. Okay, especially I'm talking about the pre-exam, pre-questions, even some mains question also. But again, you should be smart enough to choose the questions which is related to the gate exam. Okay, because some part is not some part of signals and system which is exist in which is important for engineering services mains but not important for gate. Okay, so if you are preparing for the competitive exam, guys, you should know that what should I learn and what should I not learn. Okay, because in this 1 hour preparation journey, or this whatever months are left, 7 month preparation journey, you cannot afford or you cannot waste the time to study those topics which will not ask in the gate exam. Okay, so you should be smart enough, you should prepare hard with a single-minded approach and do your level best. Okay, the signals and system, Abir, is a very good subject for a practice question, as I already told you. uh, Very good, beta. Sir, how is the MTech RF and microwave and MTech semiconductor in IIT Roorkee? Yes, yes. So, beta, if you are looking for the MTech specialization, RF and microwave also very popular, and of course in semiconductor, as you all know that semiconductor chips are very much useful in the we can say that commercial vehicles, or whatever we can say that. In mechanical engineering, so whichever new vehicles you are seeing in from Mahindra, from Tata, they are coming with the advanced features, and everywhere semiconductor chips are required. Okay, so semiconductor definitely. So I got the sixth round. Okay, beta, SK. So, so semiconductor is of course a very we can say that the branch in which in future will have a huge scope of vacancies. Okay, and in even in the defense sector also, there is a very much useful product, that is semiconductor chips and all. So semiconductor specialization is very, we can say that, unique and very uh, we can say that in future, in upcoming future, we can expect more and more job vacancies related to that. Okay, so if you want to choose, then you can go for according to my choice, or according to my opinion, you can go for semiconductor in IIT Roorkee. Okay, beta. Yes, yes. Chali. Any other question, my dear student, that you want to ask? How's your preparation going on? So I think here 31 students are there. So you can write in the comment box. Have you attended any of my lectures? So how is the scope of embedded system engineering department for MTech? Embedded system, of course, a student, if I talk about especially for electronics and communication, so VLSI and embedded system, again, very good branch, and we have a huge scope, okay, in the upcoming time. Okay, so VLSI and embedded system both is very good. Whichever is available for you, you should definitely go for that. Okay, in the upcoming time, my dear student, will have a huge scope in the PSU's vacancies. Okay, as you know that everywhere in the even in the stock market also, you can see the PSU's price is also increasing. Like that, if I talk about defense sector, HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, scope of engineering in mechanical. Yes, yes. So, do you know about the mechanical engineering fact, my dear student? Recently, IIT ISC Bangalore has released that information about IIT, about Gate 24 paper. How many students attempted the paper? So I think computer science maximum students attempted, and after that, after that, I think civil, and then mechanical. So mechanical, I think 80,000 plus students has been written the exam or attempted the Gate 24 exam, and 1 lakh near student attempted in civil engineering, and more than 1.3 lakh students in computer science. So mechanical engineering definitely a huge scope in the defense sector, in the vehicle sectors, like in the commercial vehicle, or we can say that in the in our normal day to day life, whatever four wheelers are coming. So mechanical engineering definitely better. All the engineering, even if I talk about civil engineering, if I talk about computer science, in the computer science also we have a recently added, that is machine learning as well as the data science. Sir, how go to ISRO for mechanical? Yes, beta. Yes. So, student, I think if you have followed our YouTube channel, beta. So recently, Priyanka ma'am has made a videos about the ISROs. Okay. So today we have completed the videos for DRDO exam. So here you can go for the ISRO, and Priyanka ma'am I think recently completed about ISRO also. So when you will go down, you will get here big IOCL also, and I think here all about ISRO also. That video also we have created, so you can just refer that video. ISRO scientist, all about ISRO scientist. So this is the video, guys, where you will get the complete information. Then you will click on this. This video will open like so. You can just refer this video regarding any information about the ISRO scientist information. Okay. Chali. Any other question, beta? So we have planned this 15 to 20-minute live session. Just want to take your queries regarding signals and system. So now coming to signals and system, dear students, after completing communication, continuous signals part, application part, you must read the sampling part, and again sampling. Short trick plays very important role to crack the gate exam, because if you want to secure a good marks in the gate, guys, it is not only important to solve the question, or it is only not important to know how to solve the question. It is also important how you can solve the question very effectively, smartly, within very less time. Okay. So if you solve the question by using some hacks or some tricks, then only you can go ahead with many other students. Those will solve the question, but if someone will take 3 minute time to solve the question, and somehow you are able to solve that question in 30 seconds, then here you can save the time, and you can invest that 2 minute time or 2 minute 30-second time in those questions where the other students has not sufficient time. You can invest the time. So you need to save the time. You need to solve the question in such a way so that you can solve the question with accurately, as well as you need to maintain the speed also. Okay, pyare bachcho. Anything else? So as I already shown you, this is all about ISRO. So those who want to watch the session, you can watch the session of ISRO video. Yes, guys. So any other, if you have any other queries, you can also. So, chali guys. Any other point that you want to discuss, beta? So after I just we had a discussion about the sampling. Yes, sir. My question, please, sir. Sir, myself Arun. Okay, okay. Arun is 30 years, working in Tata Steel for 9 years as a junior engineer. Okay, I want to pursue MTech from IIT. What will be the benefits for my experience? Okay. So, student, the first of all, my suggestion to you, beta, कि Arun, do you know in directly in PSUs also we have some recruitment and through the experience basis. Okay, so if you are not aware about it, just follow the channel actually. And here Priyanka ma'am generally cover all the job notification here. We have seen in Lignite Corporation, even in the SAIL or Steel Authority of India, and in NELCO, in many in PSUs they are recruiting on the basis of experience, and they have sometime interview directly. Okay, even many of my students also, they suppose that they earlier worked in the L&T. Okay, you also work in Tata Steel, na? Yes, yes. So similar type of. So one of my ex student has worked in the L&T for 5 years, and after that he has joined the Lignite Corporation. Okay, through on the basis of experience as well as interview. Okay. Again, if you don't want to directly join the PSUs, if you can go for the MTech. But I think for the MTech courses, my dear student, you need to crack the GATE exam, and you have to secure a good rank. And if I talk about the safe score to get the IITs, then you have the score at least 600 plus. Okay. And in terms of marks, student, minimum 65 plus marks you should have. Okay, beta. Arun. Yes, yes. So I covered this part also. If you want to pursue MTech, then definitely you must write the GATE exam, and in the GATE exam, and after that, of course, after that, when you will start your MTech now, in that part, definitely whatever the professor teach you, and you will get the opportunity to interact with the research team, or you can use the tools, or we can say that equipment that are available in the laboratories of IITs. So here definitely you will get the chance, or you can explore and you can use your expertise, whatever you have in the industry, whatever you learned from the last 8 to 9 years in the Tata Steel. Definitely you can had a discussion with the IIT professor. They will also guide you in a better way, and they will link your knowledge, whatever you have, whatever skill you have from the Tata skill, and they can uh, enhance that particular skill in your MTech courses. Yes. So Abir says that, sir, is your YouTube playlist of signals and system is enough to get signals, or I have to do something? Yes, yes. So beta, definitely, if I talk about the subject knowledge, you can definitely refer this, Abir, and this is more than sufficient. However, here some lectures are pending, that is discrete Fourier transform. Okay, so that I will complete whenever you want, okay, and whenever I will get the time. So here only one topic is left, that is discrete for a DFT. Other than all the topics are completed here, you can definitely refer it. But again, more and more revision and more practice will makes you perfect. Okay, just to study this knowledge, because you need to create your handwritten notes after watching the playlist, and followed by the practice questions. Okay, beta. And if you want a structured course, then you can join our IMS Get Academy also, as I told you earlier also. And if you have any queries regarding the courses which provided by IMS Get Academy, you can just click on the link which is given in description, and you can just connect with our student advisory team, and they will guide you regarding the courses and all. Okay. Okay, beta. But as far as signals and system for gate is concerned, this playlist is more than sufficient. But you need to make sure that you are solving enough practice questions. So for the practice question, we are providing 22 to 30 exercise book and theory books, and as well as the 33-year PYQs booklet, which is the most unique feature of IMS Gate Academy. Okay, beta Abir. Anything else that you want to discuss? I think 45 students sometime here live. So if you want to ask anything, and if you are my ex-student, if you already attended my signals and system, wherever in online, on YouTube, or in offline centers, I have been teaching for GATE exams since 2011 in 30 plus cities in India. If I talk about whichever, we can say that famous city in India, if you will named it, where I already took the classes for GATE, from north to south, from east to west. So, my dear student, if you are my ex-student, if you attended my any classes, whether in Nagpur, Mumbai, Bangalore itself, okay, Jaipur, in the north side, Delhi, Hyderabad, Coimbatore, Chennai, Vijayawada. So, if you have attended any Vadodara, Ahmedabad, Pune, even Tripura, even in UP also, I went one Bijnor. Yes. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Okay, beta. Welcome, beta. Abir. Welcome. So, guys, many cities. Okay. Chali. So, I think, guys, that's all from today's session. We have planned this for 15 to 20-minute session. I think already 30 minutes we took this. Okay. So, if you still want to ask anything, otherwise, we'll end the session by Bacho. So, I think that's all from this session. Hi, sir. Good evening, Shayad. Good evening, beta. Good evening. So, okay, I am coming to signals and system and want to conclude here. So, after the sampling theorem, you can enter in the discrete part, and discrete part also very much important, dear student, where the basic energy and power convolution of discrete time signals, okay, followed by the Z transform, properties of Z transform, long division method, partial fraction method, properties of Z transform. And recently, we can expect the question from DTFT, discrete time Fourier transform, and DTFS. Earlier, for double E student, they used to leave this topic, DTFS and DTFT. But nowadays, from the last 2 to 3 years, we have seen some question. Examiner has been asked from this topic, so you can't leave this topic. DTFS and DTFT equally important for double E and IN. And of course, DFT part, the electrical students can leave because it is not mentioned in their syllabus. So discrete Fourier transform, which is important for the computer science and IN student. Yes, Monica, signals and system playlist is more than sufficient for the particular GATE exam. I have designed this playlist for the GATE competition examination point of view. So just watch this PPT beta, and there is only one way to to say thanks after watching the PPT, after watching the playlist. If you would really think that after watching the playlist, if you have learned something and if your signals and system concept get clear, then you can write a comment. Okay, you should write a comment that will come from your heart. So your true feedback, your honest feedback I am looking for. And so you should not comment till you will not impress. Okay, so once you will have that feeling ki, yes sir, I have learned a lot, amazing things I have learned, I have learned wow things, then only you can comment. And once you will have that feeling now, then don't hesitate to comment. You should write everything, even 3 line, 4 line, 5 lines. Write in the comment section and share your experience with your juniors as well as your colleagues, and tell them why Ankur sir classes are very important. Okay. Sir, I want to purchase the test series, so applied for the waiver code, but coupon code is given to me after 20 days. When that I applied, it is seen that coupon code is invalid. So I mailed again, but no response. Okay, Manik Bhattacharya. Okay, beta. So I just screenshot of your comment, beta, Manik. And can you do one thing, beta, Manik? You can just we can say that again. Uh, I'm giving you one student advisory team number also, or how can you contact? Okay, so when can you please write there IMS Gate Academy, Bangalore. Okay, so when you will write on Google now, you will get some number, mobile number. You can call them and you can just tell my name also. Okay, I am an Ankur sir student, so please guide me. Or okay, so that definitely they will connect with me also if required. Otherwise your query will you will resolve solve. So if you are looking for the test series na beta, you need to just the website link also given in description. You need to visit the ims.india.com/gate, and where you will get the test series plus course. And what is the beauty of test series plus course? If you want to only purchase test series, then it is around 1700 including GST. But if you will purchase test series plus course, you will get the GQB booklet also. So if I want to, if I will show you how the GQB booklet look like na, so just give me some time. So this is I have some sample book here, the GQB book of mechanical. So it contains the, similarly you will get the GQB booklet for electronics and communication. And this book is dedicated for the technical subject. You can see the width of the book, and here you will get the QR code, everything you will get. Okay, I will show you how the QR code look like. Like that you will get the QR codes. Okay. And the similar type of book you will get for mathematics and aptitude. So what is the beauty of the IMS Gate Academy booklet? Here you will get the two different book for the PYQs. One covers the all technical subject. If you are from EC electrical, then control signal communication EMFT EDC subject covers in one booklet. And other booklet you will get which dedicate for maths and aptitude, where you will get the PYQs of maths and aptitude for EC and other streams also. If you are from EC, then you can get the PYQs of mechanical also, civil also for mathematics and aptitude, because it is a common subject. So there is a high chance that you will get more pattern of questions. And this is all about the practice in the competition exam. When you will solve more pattern of question, you will have number of ways to approach the questions in the gate exam. Sir, some questions I think I have missed. Rajkumar, can you now explain method least square? I'm not getting your question, beta. So here I am not supposed to teach. This is the normal strategic type of session that we are planning. Okay, beta, because right now I am live from mobile front camera. So I want, my question is out of discussion, but if you know the answer, Arihan. So I want some clarification. Offered BEL PO job now and joining on 1st July, and I am shortlisted for the ISRO interview. That PSU told they would not give NOC to attend interview in future. Okay. So what you want to say that ki you have the interview offer from the ISRO, okay, and you are not getting the NOC from the POC. So right now you are working in PSU. Right now you are working in bail or what? So Aryan, you should not hide your job during the interview. You should be honest about it. Okay. I think there is no such clause as far as my knowledge is concerned. As far as there is no such clause that if you are already working in um, other PSUs, then you cannot attempt the ISRO interview. So going to get joined to July 1st. So Hariharan, it is definitely possible. I know many even my ex students. So suppose that initially they worked in the power grid, and after that they changed the PSUs, and now they are working in other PSUs. Okay, beta. Or even you can say like that ki I have already attempted one interview from the other jobs. If you don't want to tell them that I already got the offer letter, that part also according to, it's all about the interviewer, what they are asking to you and all, how you are responding. So you can tell like that ki I have um, I have, we can say that attempted one or two interview from the other PSUs also, because I got the offer, but I till now I have not joined anything any PSUs. So anyway you are saying 1st July. So so ISRO interview on which date? Is it after July or what? After 1st July or what? Of course, if it is after 1st July, then you have to take decision. You need to join on the 1st July, na? And again, you need to tell them ki I presently I am working, because that make sure that 100% for sure they will ask you ki that what you are doing present as of now, what you are doing. So suppose that if you have the interview, ISRO interview in the month of August September, and if you will already join the 1st July PSU, then you should tell them na ki presently I am working with this PSU and recently joined from 1st July. I think I got your question. Ariharan? Chalo. Okay, beta. So I hope that's all from my session. प्यारे बच्चों, that's all from today's session. Okay. So dear students, recently I uploaded one more short video which is related to the short trick. You can watch this session to get the, you will get here how to show you. So here if I will show you, so you will get the PDF. My voice is not coming. So sampling of T energy is pi, my dear. So such type of, sir, going. By using this short trick, we can solve this gate problem. The value of the even some more videos we have uploaded, guys. So you can get. So other videos we have. It is easy to qualify the gate exam. How to get 65 marks in the gate, that also we I covered very. Marks. But it is very difficult. This is important. Recently we completed 65 plus marks in the gate exam. 3 secrets to get 65 plus marks in the gate exam. Again and again, I used to tell my students that you should be consistent in practice and revision, that only decide your rank. And here I covered that points. So we have many videos, guys, many short videos even. Hello everyone, welcome to IMS. So you can just refer the IMS Gate Academy YouTube channel, okay? And to enhance your gate preparation. Which recruit through SSCJ, they are Border Road Organization. So guys, here we have the different videos, okay? So such DRDO videos, high scoring PSUs without gate, so all the videos you can watch, okay? Chale guys, bye bye, take care. So that's all from today's session. We'll meet in the upcoming sessions. Tomorrow also we have one more live session that Priyanka ma'am going to take, and she will cover there how you will get maximize your marks in engineering, maths and aptitude. As you all aware that in GATE 28 marks dedicated for the maths and aptitude, okay? So you can't say that I am not good in mathematics, but I want to make a under 100 rank in the GATE. It is not possible. Without mathematics, we can't imagine. Okay, so you should be we can say that perfect in mathematics and aptitude part, so that you can secure, at least try to achieve Out of 28 marks, you should minimum try to achieve 22 marks, and more than 22 it is great. And from 72, if you are able to maintain 50 marks in technical, then 50 plus 22, so around 72 plus marks you will get. Okay guys, so bye bye, take care. That's all from the session. Thank you.